This is 1.96 inches below the normal amount of 2.05 inches for June. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 16.60 inches, which is 3.79 inches below normal. Sunset tonight is at 8:30 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:14 a.m. Now let's check on your local forecast. Tonight, hazy this evening. Partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Hot with highs in the upper 90s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Heat index values up to 104. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Hot with highs in the upper 90s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. East winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming south after midnight. Friday through Saturday night, partly cloudy. Hot. Highs in the upper 90s. Lows in the mid-70s. Heat index values up to 105. Sunday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the upper 90s. Heat index values up to 105 in the afternoon. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. Monday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs around 100. Heat index values up to 105 in the afternoon. Monday night and Tuesday, partly cloudy. Hot. Lows in the upper 70s. Highs around 100. Heat index values up to 105. You're listening to your weather radio, station WXK36, broadcasting in Tyler on 162.475 MHz. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. Here's a look at local weather conditions as of 8 p.m. At the top of the hour, skies were partly cloudy in Tyler. The temperature was 92 degrees at the regional airport. The dew point was 67, making the relative humidity 43%. Winds were south at 9 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.88 inches and falling. In Longview, skies were clear, with a temperature of 90 degrees. The dew point was 66, making the relative humidity 45%. Winds were south at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.89 inches and steady. Once again in Tyler, it was 92 degrees with partly cloudy skies at 8 p.m. Around the local area at 8 p.m., in Terrell, clear and 91. Wind south at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 24 miles an hour. DFW Airport, partly cloudy and 93. Wind south at 23 miles an hour, gusting to 36 miles an hour. Paris, clear and 88. Wind south at 8 miles an hour. Texarkana, clear and 89. Wind southeast at 8 miles an hour. Shreveport, partly cloudy and 90 degrees. Wind south at 8 miles an hour. Jacksonville, clear and 89 degrees. Wind south at 10 miles an hour. Palestine, haze and 90 degrees. Wind south at 6 miles an hour. And at Corsicana, partly cloudy and 91 degrees. Wind south at 16 miles an hour. Elsewhere across the four-state region, Oklahoma City, mostly cloudy and 86. Little Rock, clear and 87. Jackson, Mississippi, partly cloudy and 85. Baton Rouge, haze and 86. And at Houston, mostly cloudy and 87 degrees. For the most current information, check us out on the web at www.weather.gov/shc. The Tyler Climate Summary for this evening, as of 4 p.m., June 14, 2022. Today's high temperature was 99 degrees. The normal high is 90. The record high is 103 degrees, which was last set in 1925. Today's low temperature was 75 degrees. The normal low is 71. The record low is 53 degrees, which was set in 1913. No precipitation fell today, which leaves the monthly total at 0.09 inches. This is 1.96 inches below the normal amount of 2.05 inches for June. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 16.60 inches, which is 3.79 inches below normal. Sunset tonight is at 8:30 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:14 a.m.